Love na love namin karaoke yun, me and my friends. Tapos, dati yun, naalala nyo ba dito, maybe mga 15 years ago, yung 2366, yung voting sa mix, grabe. Grabe yung mga Christian friends ko, talagang boto ng boto. Ando kami, ni Namar, ganyan. Pero talagang unforgettable tong Hands to Heaven talaga. So tingnan natin ang karaoke hit naman ni Mark Bautista, everybody. Let's go, let's go.
Ako ba? Ako syempre, gusto kong bumaba. Pero, uy, magpa-picture kayo para pa niyo rin. Kailangan meron din. Hindi ako papatayo. Dahil nakita ko kanina kay Christian may pa-video game. So, kung alam niyo yung kanta, pwede kayong kumanta pala. Di ba? Parang feeling ko marami namang marunong kumanta dito. Lakas na boses niyo. Gamitin niyo yan dito sa karaoke. Let's do it. Okay, isa-isa lang. Isa-isa lang. Okay, here we go. I need a lot of things I can get by with nothing. All of the blessings life can bring, I've always needed something. But I've got all I want when it comes to loving you. You're my only reason, you're my only truth. I need you like water, like breath, like rain. Oh, I need you like mercy from heaven's gate. There's a freedom in your arms that carries me through. I need you. Thank you. Maganda yung Bisaya na rin. Oh, yes, I do. You're the hope that moves me to courage and you're the love that rescues me when the conflict's away. And it's so amazing, 'cause that's just how you are. And I can't turn back now, 'cause you brought me too far. I need you like water, like breath, like rain. I need you like mercy from heaven's gate. There's a freedom in your arms that carries me through. I need you. Hey. Oh, yes I do. Maraming salamat. so much.
Very good, very good. Yun ang ano, na-master